Okay, so here we have some sand from the beach that is mostly black sand but does contain some of the beach sand in it. So we're going to show you an easy way to try and get rid of some of the beach sand. So if you have a container that's roughly about the same size as the magnet that you're going to use, you will take the magnet, put it underneath the container, and that will allow all the particles to get stuck together, and all the non-magnetics, once you turn it around, if you tap it out, you will see that when you look at the material, it has much less of the sand. So if you do this process a few times, you will see that you're left with mostly the iron ore or the black sand, which is actually iron ore. Okay, and then once you're done, remove the magnet, keep it aside. Take your container that you've already got the iron ore or the magnetic particles, and then just put it into the container and keep it aside. So this is easier to do if the actual product or the sand is dry. If it's wet, you have to try and dry or take out the moisture before you can do this process. So again guys, this is removing the iron ore or magnetical particles from sand or from soil. So don't forget to subscribe and give us a like, as this will help us to grow our channel and create additional content.